Welcome to the GKIDS 2012-2013 Overview Training. GKIDS provides teachers with ongoing diagnostic information about kindergarten students developing skills in language arts, math, science, social studies, personal social development, approaches to learning, and motor skills. GKIDS provides a summary of individual student performance at the end of the kindergarten school year as an indicator of first grade readiness. What is assessed? We assess Common Core Georgia performance standards in ELA and mathematics. GPS is assessed in social studies and science. There are also non-academic dimensions of learning: personal, social development, approaches to learning, and motor skills. Assessing the Common Core Georgia performance standards using performance levels. ELA, math, social studies, and science standards will be assessed using 2 to 5 performance levels for each element. The number of performance levels was determined by the GKIDS Advisory Committee and is based on the range of student performance that can be observed for each element. The performance levels are not yet demonstrated, emerging, progressing, meets the standard, and exceeds the standard. Given that our testing program should mirror a line to the Common Core, the GKIDS web-based application is revised in the areas of ELA and mathematics. The standards to be assessed will be derived from Common Core GPS in ELA and math. The GKIDS manual and guide has been revised where applicable. Reports have also been revised to reflect these changes in ELA and mathematics. Science and social studies remain based on GPS. There are no changes to GKIDS in these areas. Approaches to learning, personal social development, and motor skills will also remain unchanged. The functionality and structure of the GKIDS web application will not change, and the performance level categories will remain the same. Teachers may assess by observing student performance during the course of regular student classroom instruction or by an assessment activity of the teacher's choice. There are sample activities that have been developed for each GPS standard or Common Core standard by the Advisory Committee. Activities are included in the GKIDS Administration Manual. The data entry and reporting website is the same as last year and is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This website allows teachers to enter and manage student data throughout the school year. Teachers can enter data by student or by element for the entire class. Teachers can generate student or class reports at any time during the year. Instructional planning, report cards, progress reports, and SST, or for parent conferences. All system coordinators and teacher information on the website from last year will remain intact. School coordinators were assigned logins and passwords at the beginning of the years and should give new teachers logins and passwords. Testing assessment has assigned those login names for all the new test coordinators. For the school test coordinator, your main role is to manage user accounts for the teachers at your school. Login names and passwords from 11 and 12, like I said, are still available, but you need to add the new ones. During the school year, you will be able to view school and class reports and search for reports for individual students. Be prepared to answer questions regarding GKIDS, and it's very important that you maintain the responsibility for making certain that teachers meet reporting deadlines. Teachers may enter student data in the required domains, remove students from your class list if they move to a new school, and generate student and class reports throughout the school year as needed. You can easily manage students. You can edit or remove from roster from this screen. You can add students. Make sure you have your information for your students from Infinite Campus, including GKIDS, last name, first name, date of birth, ethnicity, race, and SRC codes. The GKIDS will show a class list so you can see all your student information easily. You can enter assessment data by going to the different content areas, and you will notice for English Language Arts and Mathematics, you will see the new Common Core standards. Here you can see how you can update student results either by individual students or by a class. There will be a mid-year and end-of-year reporting deadlines, but we will also work with you for various check-ins 3 times during the year. And keep in mind there are no scannable forms to fill out. Teachers are required for creating individual student reports at the end of the year at the strand, standard, and element level. Class, school, and system reports are also available on the GKIDS website. The GKIDS contacts at the state level are Bobby Babel, and our vendor is Jeremy Grenade and Candace Langford. But please work with us at the district level, Joe Blessing, Alana White, and Courtney Jones. And please contact me if you have any other questions.